Hello dear viewers, this is Tanvir Ahmed at the Royal Academy of English. Subscribe to my channel, Royal Academy of English, for new, interesting and informative videos. Like these videos, share these videos and press the bell icon. Welcome to Royal Academy of English. Today we are doing a very important lesson. In this lesson, you will learn about 35 MCQs for poets of later Victorian age. So, let's start this very interesting lesson. Question number 1. Pre-Raphaelite movement was dominated by a new set of poets: Rossetti, Swinburne, and there are 4 options for this question, but the correct option is C. William Moris. Another question. Pre-Raphaelite poets are interested simply in. The correct option is A. Beauty. Another question. Dante Gabriel Rossetti was born in. The correct option is C. 1828. Another question. Dante Gabriel Rossetti was died in. The correct option is B. 1882. Another question. The chief force behind the Pre-Raphaelite movement was. The correct option is A. Dante Gabriel Rossetti. Another question. The first volume of poems of Dash was The Defense of Guinevere and Other Poems. The correct option is C. William Moris. Dante Gabriel Rossetti's poem The Stream's Secret is Dacian nature. The correct option is A. Personal. Another question. Dante Gabriel Rossetti's poem The Bride's Pleasure is Dacian nature. The correct option is B. Impersonal. Another question. Christina Rossetti was born in. The correct option is A. 1830. Christina Rossetti was died in. The correct option is D. 1894. The most important collections of Christina Rossetti work are. The correct option is A. Goblin, Market and Other Poems. Another question. Much of Christina Rossetti's work was Dacian nature. The correct option is B. Religious. Another question. Famous poetic work A Birthday was written by. The correct option is B. Christina Rossetti. Another question. William Moris was born in. The correct option is C. 1834. Another question. William Moris was died in. The correct option is D. 1896. Another question. William Moris chiefly interested in. The correct option is B. The Middle Ages. Another question. First volume of Poems of Dash is The Defense of Guinevere.
and other poems? The correct option is C. William Morris. In The Life and Death of Jason, that is a narrative poem. William Morris followed. The correct option is A. Chaucer. William Morris is Danish in the sense that he wrote poetry mainly with the object of creating beauty. The correct option is A. Pre-Raphaelite. Another question. Algernon Charles Swinburne was born in. The correct option is A. 1837. Another question. Algernon Charles Swinburne was died in. The correct option is D. 1909. The poetic work of Swinburne deals with great romantic themes like Danish revolt against society, the hatred of kings and priests, and the struggle against conventional morality. The correct option is B. Shelley's. Swinburne first became known by his poetic drama. The correct option is A. Atalanta in Culloden. Swinburne wrote his poetic drama Atalanta in Culloden in. The correct option is B. 1865. Another very important question. The Pre-Raphaelite movement in English poetry was followed by. The correct option is B. Decadent or aesthetic movement. The main idea of the day was art for art's sake. The correct option is B. Decadent or aesthetic movement. Another question. The poets of the aesthetic movement were influenced by Danish and the French authors like Baudelaire and Verlaine, who tried to break with conventional values. The correct option is A. Voltaire. Another very important question. Danish was the first to come under the influence of Voltaire. The correct option is B. Oscar Wilde. In New Helen, Danish declared himself as the lottery of beauty. The correct option is A. Oscar Wilde. Another question. Oscar Wilde was born in. The correct option is B. 1856. Another question. Oscar Wilde was died in. The correct option is A. 1900. Another question. Ernest Dowson symbolizes in his work the aesthetic movement of the Danish. The correct option is C. 1890s. Lionel Pigot Johnson was born in. The correct option is D. 1837. Another question. Lionel Pigot Johnson was died in. The correct option is B. 1902. Another question. Next to Dawson, the most consistent follower of the Pre-Raphaelite Movement verse dash. The correct option is C. Author Simpson. So, that is the end of the lesson. I hope you have found this lesson very useful and very informative. Other topics of interest of the Royal Academy of English are MCQs for novelists of early Victorian period, MCQs for prose writers of the early Victorian period, MCQs for poets of later Victorian period, MCQs for novelists of later Victorian period, MCQs for prose writers of later Victorian period, and MCQs for Renaissance period. I also hope that you will also find these lessons very useful and very informative. Keep watching your own channel, Royal Academy of English, for new, very informative and very interesting videos.